Okay, this is a tutorial. I'm going to convert 173 kilograms into micrograms. So we start off a factor label with our given. We always start with our given in that first space. In the next space on the bottom, we're going to have the same units as we are starting with. That way they'll cancel. Above that, we're going to go into the base units. In this case, it's grams. Next space, we have to again have the same units as there so that they'll cancel. And then we want to be in micrograms. That's our basic setup. I'm going to go ahead and make a clean one so we don't have all those arrows and lines. So 173 kilograms, kilograms to grams, grams to micrograms. All right. Now the first thing I do once I've got this set up is I immediately put a 1 in with the units that have the prefixes. That prevents me from doing something stupid, because what you want to remember is that the power of 10 associated with this always goes with the base unit. So this is 1 times 10 to the third. This is 1 times 10 to the negative sixth. You've got a setup now that you can go through. Kilograms will cancel, grams will cancel, and you'll be left with micrograms. The last thing you can do to make this easier on yourself is to take the number that you're starting with and put that in scientific notation. In this case, that makes it 1.73 times 10 to the second kilograms. We can now pull our numbers out and do our math. 1.73 times 10 to the second, 2 plus 3 because we're multiplying, minus negative 6. This gives us 5 plus 6. This gives us 1.73 times 10 to the 11th micrograms. Okay, so key points to remember. Always put your given in the first space. Always make sure that your units cancel. Always put the power of 10 with the base unit. Converting your first number into scientific notation simplifies your life because it means you don't have to move a decimal later. Check that your units cancel. Check that your powers of 10 are with your base units, and multiply through. You're done.